garlic chicken moringa leaf casserole. One of the tastiest of the easy chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the chicken casseroles recipes and one of the most unique of the moringa leaf recipes and one of the most tastiest of the chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the moringa leaf casseroles recipes. Today we are going to make garlic chicken moringa leaf casserole. We have taken around 300 to 350 grams of chicken pieces, cleaned thoroughly. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Clarified. Saute. Garlic salt mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. ginger, put in salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute thoroughly. Put in the chicken pieces. Slightly chopping it. After cooking for the required time, mix. Now put in the moringa leaves. into the mixture. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After closing, after 5 to 10 minutes, open. Now the garlic chicken moringa leaf casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic chicken moringa leaf casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken casseroles recipes and one of the most unique of the easy chicken recipes and one of the most different of the chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the moringa leaf recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken casseroles recipes and one of the most tastiest of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.